I am going to be fitting my Temu steering wheel today. This is my standard steering wheel, and hopefully we're going to be able to take this one off, Temu one on, job's a good one. Now, I was going to do some different angles. Unfortunately, as you may be able to see, the weather has just suddenly turned massively against us, and it is piddling down with rain, so we're not going to be able to do that. We're going to have to do it this way. I'm really hoping this is going to transform the interior of this car. Hopefully it should. Before I get started, if you are enjoying the content, please subscribe. I'm currently trying to get to 5k subscribers. I've still got an awful long way to go. Your subscribe will certainly help me with that. So before we get started, first thing I have to do is take this airbag off. Anytime you work with airbags, disclaimer, make sure you disconnect the battery. Because the weather is the way that it is, I have already disconnected the battery, and I just thought I've shut the boot down, which could cause issues because I might not be able to get back into it. I didn't think about that. Oh, well, we'll have to cross that bridge as I come to it then, won't I? But first things first, what we need to do is take this airbag off. Now, to do that, there should be somewhere around here 2 little holes, which are there and there, and that should pop the airbag. So to do that, should be able to use my trusty little Allen key, kind of go a bit like, let's try this side, see if we can do this side first maybe.
Hello.
The steering wheel's winding me the I can't even get my bag out. Oh, Allen key.
You turned around to me and said if I could do it, you could do it.
I'm older and wiser.
So you can't just put it in the hole. You gotta put it in the hole and then push it a little bit towards.
Right, hang on, let me get you to an angle. Because I can't do that and do you.
Have you not watched any YouTube videos?
Yeah, make it look easy.
Oh, okay then.
Alright then, thank you.
Alright, no
Alright,
worries, bye.
okay, bye.
What you want to do once you've got the screwdriver?
I've had to watch a tube video. What I've done, pop this side. So what you need to do with the Allen key, hopefully this is going to be a bit easier now. You push it in at a bit of an angle, and you should feel some resistance. It shouldn't be that hard.
Say to the airbag, what you want to do now?
He makes it look so easy. Finally, I've done it. So now, airbag comes out, and we have one little plug. Look at that. Oh yeah, boy. One airbag. Let's put that down there for a minute. And then there's a big nut in the middle. Well, what size do we reckon that is? We reckon that might be a 16. That's your next thing then. How would you hold the steering wheel? Oh, I've done it. I've done it. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, boy. There it is. And then, whey, check that out. Whey. Right, so let's pop that down there out of the way for a minute. Crack open the steering wheel. the steering wheel will only go on one way. There's a little mark on the steering wheel and it won't let you put it on any other way. So that's the only way it goes on. But let's not waste any time. Let's get that one plugged in first. That's the steering wheel buttons. Lovely. Let's put the bolt back in. I don't know if I like that. Looks a bit quite thick, isn't it? It's a bit different from what I'm used to. So I know that needs to be set to 62. Baby, well, my husband getting down with another. Let's tighten that up. So 62 newton-meters is what the steering wheel needs to be tightened up to. Just push into it a minute while I do that. There we go. Let's put the airbag back in, plug that in. Beautiful. And then I should just be able to... Yeah, boy! And then, one more piece is the little BMW M performance badge that goes at the bottom. Just like that. That is done. One steering wheel fitted. Bit of a pain in the arse. You do need to take your time when it comes to the airbag. I'll let you know how I get on with it. At the moment, I'm not 100% sure on it, but let's go with it for now. It's got to be worth a subscribe, to be honest, hasn't it? The amount of effort that's taken, because what shouldn't have taken very long has ended up taking nearly an hour and a half. But there we go, such is life. And let us know in the comments below, what do you think of my new steering wheel? I'll catch you in the next video.